Did you find a home you love but it needs repairs? With Renovation Assistance, you can buy and renovate a home using one loan. Welcome to VA Mortgage Specialist. Today we're talking about FHA 203K renovation loans and how they help buyers fix up homes easily. An FHA 203K loan allows you to combine the purchase price and renovation costs into one single mortgage. This program is ideal for buyers purchasing fixer-upper homes or homeowners who want to renovate their current property. You can use renovation funds for kitchens, bathrooms, flooring, roofing, painting, HVAC, and many safety-related repairs. The limited 203K is for smaller repairs, while the standard 203K is for major renovations and structural work. The biggest advantage is convenience: one loan, one closing, and one monthly payment for both home and renovations. Always work with approved contractors and provide clear renovation plans to avoid delays. Thinking about buying or renovating a home? Visit VAMortgageSpecialist.com to see if a renovation loan is right for you.